Is Forex trading a scam? Is the whole industry a great scam? Because there are so many people that are just in there for your money. And what's the truth? Is it actually going to make you rich? I'm going to tell you the reality behind this industry and why there are so many scams out there and how you can avoid them. Please listen, this is going to affect you. Hey guys, my name is Hither Mann. I'm the founder and CEO of Fortune Academy, and I have been trading since 2008. I have seen so many horrible things in this industry that I need you to know. I've been teaching Forex since 2014, and to be honest, I've even been called a scam, and it's ridiculous because of course that's not true. I have got students who are making money year upon year upon year. I learned how to trade from London, from a trader in the city. Now, why Forex is so scammy? Now that's a whole different story because there are brokers involved. Now if anyone has seen any of my webinars, by the way, click on the links below to jump on a webinar, you will hear me talking about brokers. Brokers are the middleman because Forex is you trying to trade money that's in a bank, but you have to go through a broker, the middleman. Now it's that middleman that screws things up for people, that makes everything scammy, that makes everyone have no sort of trust in this industry, because the broker makes money from your losses, the broker makes money from you trading very often. So you've got to understand, if there is a scam in Forex, it's because of the brokers. The educators, on the other hand, so there are a lot of people in this industry teaching people how to do Forex, and I'm one of them. I'm very proud and very ethical. I'm the world's first Forex trading education that is for life. Now that's unheard of, because when people are scams, they do not want to hear from you again, or they don't want to look out for, it's like one hit wonder. They make money out of you once and they know they're never going to get your trust again. That's why I've done everything the opposite way to make sure that people always know we have to build trust with them. We give them lifetime education. We give them money to trade with. Now, who would do that if it wasn't working? So the way I have actually tried to tackle this industry, the real reason I wanted to even get into the industry was because I saw it so scummy. And the people that were teaching it, not going to mention names, but they are getting paid by brokers to share the losses. So a broker would say a conversation like this: "Hi, educator, I would like all of your clients, why don't you just collaborate with us, and together all the losses in the pot, because brokers make money from losses, we will split and we will make lots of money from." And that's why if a broker is also an educator, you need to stay away. So you need to be very careful. Who are you dealing with here? Now, I'm not saying we can't work with brokers. We have to work with brokers. I'm not a broker. Fortune Academy is not a broker. And we literally just give you a very neutral opinion on brokers, and we tell you the good, bad, and ugly side of brokers. The only reason we need them is because they connect you to the bank. And as a retail trader, that means someone who's never traded before or who hasn't got millions in the bank, then you must work with a broker, because they're your only connection to the bank. They're your only person that's going to give you leverage, which means that they magnify your money and you can trade and make profits. Now, how to beat a broker is the way you want to go about this. So to stop a scam, number one, how to spot a scam is if they ask you to trade more than 20 times a day. Like, that's ridiculous. If they tell you that you can get 90% in a week, a month, anything like that. Now, our returns at Fortune Academy, for example, are 40% a year average. We do have some students who take more risk, perform 92% in 5 months. Somebody else in the same 5 months has made 33%. Another person may make 10%. It's down to their strategy, it's down to their trading style, it's down to their risk management. Now, that's trading in reality. So it's very much based on an individual. Now, to spot a scam, they will guarantee a return. They will tell you you'll have a stupid figure in a small amount of time. And really what they're doing is they're feeding into your get rich quick mentality. And you can't blame them, because human beings love a shortcut. If you are trying to get rich quick, then it's very, very likely that you will be targeted by a scam, and they'll probably be really successful. So I want you to be careful, okay? So don't try and get rich quick. Crypto is unregulated, and that's the whole point of crypto in the first place, but that's the scammiest industry. Like, don't trade crypto on a leveraged industry. So buy crypto like from an exchange and keep it and hold it, but don't buy and sell through leveraged trading, so like a CFD. or any, so don't do that. I want you to be very careful when it comes to crypto trading, because there are some scammy people out there using my picture, which is also another reason why I made this video, is because so many scammy Instagram people, because I'm the first female trader and educator on the planet. I'm the one who gets all the, I get all of these fake scammy accounts using my account and pretending it's Hither Mann and it's official Hither Mann this, or they make up so many names. I'm literally reporting about 6 fake accounts a day. It's ridiculous. So I'm really warning you about the reality, which is there are scams out there, and if you're not careful, if you want to get rich quick, you're gonna get scammed. And the reason why these people exist is, one, it's in the crypto industry. If you're doing crypto the wrong way, you're gonna get scammed. If you really want to learn about crypto, then Fortune Academy's got an online course. We've got a crypto trader. You can speak to him every month. If you're on the mentorship, you can message him, and he's so safe. The guy is so safe. He's mentored me in crypto. So trust me when I say that crypto's a really dirty place. If you don't know what you're doing, then get a mentor. We can help you with that. So click on the links below and message me or whatever on social media, and I will tell you how to get in contact with him. Secondly, if you want to do Forex, then please stick to one of my webinars, because that's the only way you're going to survive a scam, because I will spot them for you. I will tell you about these scams, how they work, even more again, and I will show you the way it's done properly. What Fortune Academy does is we teach people how to trade. I will then give you money through the Fortune Academy Trading Fund. We will split the profits if I give you money. If it's all your money, you keep the profits, okay? So that's how it works. That's what's in it for me. My only way of making big money is for you guys to be profitable as traders, and therefore I've got my work cut out. I have to teach you good trading, because I want you to make me money through the profits that we split. If it was based on the opposite, so I'm doing completely the opposite of all the scammy people. The scammy people are splitting the losses with the broker. I'm not interested in a broker. We're not affiliated with any broker. We are just neutral education only providers, and I split the profits with you. So that's what's exciting. So your profits, me and you split. That's how I make money. That's how Fortune Academy makes money. That's how you should be able to stay away from scams. So if you're worried about Forex is a tough industry, then I'm telling you now, it's an amazing industry. We've got people who have got lives changed. I've had one of my students, Lee, after 4 years, bought a penthouse overlooking the River Thames. So it's possible if you are gonna be dedicated, if you're gonna work on yourself, if you've got the mindset of being successful, then Forex trading could be incredible for you. But if you want to get rich quick, you will probably get scammed. So I hope all of this information made sense. Click on the links below, get in touch with me, get on one of my webinars. You will definitely learn how to trade Forex safely, and ask me questions. If you've got any comments below, I want to hear them, and I'm really excited for you to be one of my audience one day and one of my students one day. So I'm really excited. Thank you for your time. Just before I go, I want to make sure that you ring the bell, you are writing your comments below, ask me questions as always, and make sure you join me on a webinar, because it's super important. Subscribe to my channel, as I said, and you'll get all the extra content coming your way, because I'm going to be doing videos on a very regular basis all about money, Forex, how to make money in property versus Forex, everything. Lots of stuff coming up. So see you guys in a future webinar. Bye.